Are you looking for the best block plane? In this video, we will break down the top 6 block planes on the market.we, have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Senkichi, 40mm x 140mm, Japanese. The Senkichi 40mm x 140mm Japanese block plane is a great introduction to Japanese-made block planes. It has a different form factor than most Western block planes, as it's a bit narrower and a bit longer. Unlike Western blades, Japanese-made blades tend to come well sharpened, which means you don't have to do any work on the blade before you begin. However, you do have to shave down the bottom of the wooden base before you begin. You need to make sure it's completely flat, and that you shave off enough to expose the blade, but not so much that you gouge the material with your blade. You don't have as much control over depth as with other block planes, and you're also getting a cheap wood in the frame. If you're looking for an expert challenge at a price that can't be beat, this is the block plane for you. At number 2. Stanley 12-926 1/4-inch contractor grade block plane. This block plane features a great cast iron base coated with durable epoxy to make it durable. It is tempered and hardened, which makes it a precision ground tool steel cutter. There is a quick release cam lock which ensures easy blade removal. It is recommended for planing plastic and end grain materials. It is a good and tested tool to get rid of debris from your workpiece. You will enjoy low vibration and a good finish with this block plane. It is made with hardened and tempered steel, which makes it very efficient, reliable and also durable. It is 6 1/4 inches long, 1 to 5/8 inch cutter, and you will enjoy a limited lifetime warranty. At number 3. SILVERLINE 633,569 block plane number 2 178 x 41mm. The SILVERLINE 633,569 is made of high-quality materials that allow it to smooth out wood surfaces with minimal effort. This tool is ergonomically designed to offer you maximum comfort, while delivering precise and accurate cuts. It is particularly ideal for end-grain tasks, and can as well come in handy when doing a fine finish. The adjustable mouth design allows you to get different types of trims, depending on how smooth you want the workpiece to be. As such, if you want to trim off bigger chunks from the workpiece, you can consider opening the mouth. This setting is applicable in situations where the workpiece is overly coarse. In addition, the screw depth control feature allows you to make necessary blade adjustments for precision grade trims. At number 4. KAKURI Woodworking Japanese block plane 42mm. This block plane has an easy-to-hold design that gives you full control of all woodworking projects. The frame is made from high-grade oak wood, which is known for its high longevity. As such, you will use this hand planer repeatedly without experiencing wear and tear. The blade, on the other hand, is made from tough carbon steel that is equally easy to sharpen. Besides, you will get the blade when it is already razor sharp. Unlike other handheld planers that work by being pushed, the KAKURI Japanese block plane polishes surfaces through pulling. This operational feature allows equal distribution of force, thereby allowing you to get consistent results. Additionally, professionals can also make their work easier by giving this block plane a try. It has a steady design that allows you to shave the wood while using only one hand. At number 5. Stanley 12-139 Bailey. This block plane gets all of the basics right. It's a low-angle block plane that has the frog and base cast as one unit, giving you better accuracy with each movement. The base has also been precision machined, so that you have more accuracy as well. It's a little heavy, but in a good way, because of the iron casting. Users also get to take advantage of the mouth adjustment feature, so that different types of wood can be planed. If you want the best, then this is one of the tools you'll want to give a closer look. At number 6. SENKICHI KANNA 65mm Japanese wood block plane carpenter's tool. This Japanese-style block plane is the carpenter's tool you want to have in your arsenal. It makes your finishing work become super simple. The sharpness is true, and this plane holds its edge for quite some time. You do need to take some extra time to set this block plane up, and that will take you most of an afternoon to do. There is a lot more control with the final product, and the thin shavings this tool can produce make it the must-have tool for your woodworking needs this year.